Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare retinol versus toner. Retinol, a powerful vitamin, a derivative, works deep within your skin to boost cell turnover and stimulate collagen. On the other hand, toner is a liquid step used right after cleansing to balance your skin's pH and sweep away any lingering impurities. Each plays a unique role in a skincare regimen, offering distinct advantages depending on your specific skin goals and needs. Retinol is a true powerhouse for anti-aging. It significantly diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful complexion. Beyond that, it's fantastic for refining skin texture and evening out tone, tackling issues like dark spots and hyperpigmentation. For those struggling with breakouts, retinol can also be a game changer, helping to clear pores and calm inflammation for clearer skin. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare tips. And speaking of healthy habits, why not make your meal prep as easy as your skincare routine? These fantastic leak-proof containers are perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Toner acts as an essential prep step, getting your skin ready to absorb all the goodness from your serums and moisturizers. It helps to rebalance your skin after cleansing, ensuring it's not too dry or too oily. Many toners also contain beneficial ingredients that can hydrate, soothe, or target specific concerns like excess oil or redness, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and refined. Deciding between retinol and toner really depends on your main skin concerns. If you're focused on anti-aging, acne, or texture, retinol is likely your hero. If you need to balance, hydrate, or prep your skin, a toner is ideal. Remember, retinol should be introduced gradually, maybe 2 to 3 times per week, while most toners can be used daily, even twice a day, for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.